Welcome to Muzaffarnagar, an emerging hotspot in Western Uttar Pradesh. Situated on the vital NH58 between Delhi and Dehradun, the city is undergoing a transformation where industrial legacy meets modern lifestyle dreams. Just 125 kilometers from Delhi and located midway on the Delhi-Haridwar corridor, Muzaffarnagar is more than a stopover. It's fast becoming the preferred residential and commercial destination of Uttar Pradesh. Muzaffarnagar is one of UP's major industrial centers, known for sugar mills, steel and paper industries. With increasing real estate demand, commercial expansion and infrastructure development, the city is ripe for growth. And at the heart of this transformation lies the mega integrated project from New Max Group, a 100-acre township that reimagines modern living. The future-ready investment at the intersection of growth, connectivity and opportunity. Welcome to New Max Muzaffarnagar. Equipped with world-class amenities, New Max Township in Muzaffarnagar is soon going to be much more than plots, villas, commercial and retail spaces. It will be a new era and standard of living. 34 years of real estate experience and the foresight of former Joint Managing Director of Omax Group, Mr. Sunil Goyal, ensure the township covers everything. From a dedicated sports complex, gaming zone, multiplexes, healthcare and education hubs to a vibrant commercial area, stunning banquets and wholesome community club. The township has it all. Thoughtfully designed group housing is a key highlight of the integrated township. This development offers a range of residential options, including modern apartments, spacious villas, and plots crafted to suit diverse lifestyle preferences. The apartments come in 2, 3, and 4 BHK configurations with built-up areas ranging in 1100, 1400, and 1700 square feet and feature contemporary aesthetics, abundant natural light, and smart space planning. Complementing the residences is an expansive 1.25 lakh square foot clubhouse, thoughtfully curated with dedicated spaces and amenities for kids, women, and senior citizens, ensuring comfort, recreation, and community for every generation. Renowned brands such as Domino's, Chicago Pizza, Sarovar Hotels and Resorts, and Nazir come together to create a seamless blend of comfort, cuisine, and convenience, offering an elevated lifestyle experience. Ideally positioned along the highway, it serves as a perfect pit stop destination for families journeying through the region, making every stopover a moment to savor. New Max presents Playmax, an initiative designed to foster an active and healthy lifestyle within the community. With a wide range of top-tier sports facilities, Playmax brings you the ultimate sporting experience right where you live. Unlike typical plot-based developments in the region, New Max isn't just a layout. It's a full-fledged integrated township with infrastructure ready to support real community living. With its expansive lifestyle features and amenities, New Max is the only project in the area that combines lifestyle, convenience, and future-proof planning in one address. This is not just about owning land. It's about belonging to a planned neighborhood with elevated living standards. No other development in the region offers this scale, this vision, or this level of delivery. Sustainability lies at the core with solar lighting, rainwater harvesting, and efficient waste management. And with 24/7 surveillance, boundary fencing, and smart entry access, peace of mind comes standard. The proposed extension of the 82-kilometer rapid rail from Meerut to Muzaffarnagar, backed by the NCR Planning Board, promises to boost regional connectivity, reinforcing Newmark City's appeal as a prime, well-connected investment destination. Rising stamp duty collections and increasing electricity consumption in Muzaffarnagar reflect the robust economic growth, making it the place where progress meets promise. With great schools, growing job opportunities, vibrant marketplaces, and affordable property, Muzaffarnagar is rising fast as Western UP's residential powerhouse. Invest in a township where your dreams have space to grow. Invest in New Max Muzaffarnagar. Prime location, premium amenities, and peaceful lifestyle. Experience your world in one place with New Max. Call now on 7699969992. Visit www.newmaxltd.com. Muzaffarnagar isn't just a city, it's the next frontier of smart living. Be a part of it. Your future starts here with New Max.